Yeah.
Dad, what you doing?
That's the next question.
Looks like he's doubling up dynamite. Let it ahoy!
Get with it! It's not doing it! You got fire in the hole! Broke the cup.
Oh my God!
Is this cup?
Come on! I want to see the cup! I want to see the cup! Look what happened!
Oh my God! It just got a hole without a freaking tube. Look.
That's the best dad right there!
Oh no. Yeah.
Oh my God!
What is he doing?
I don't know, but he's acting retarded!
I did the super. Oh yeah, now we have to cut some smoke.
Oh God!
You're freaking fun. High five. That's for.
I like
That
the
was
cup.
amazing.
The cup makes it echo.
Let's go. Hold on. Oh, okay,
That was the best day ever so far. Are you still the 4th of July? Woo!
I hope the light takes forever.
Oh, look at that. It blew that gunpowder right out of it. Blew the fuse right out.
Dang!
Nice. Oh man.
That was awesome.